Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am playing Assassin's Creed Unity, which recently received a new 60 FPS patch for next gen consoles. I am playing it on my PS5 with my MSI 32-inch 4K OLED monitor. The gameplay feels super smooth, the graphics look sharp, and Paris looks amazing on this big screen. Let's start the adventure and explore the city together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel.
Stop you! Right there! Here you are! Straight. Did he make a sharp turn?
Hey! Hey! Someone stop him! He stole from us! Did you see where he went? Get him! Won't anybody help me?
Well, the Pope's condemned us.
How's that?
It's all over the coffee houses. The Pope's condemned the civil constitution, the revolution. Maybe help up the priests. You got any good ones? Later, maybe?
He's still in there?
I've been here 3 weeks. And I've never even seen him leave that room, let alone come down the stairs.
Dedicated to his work, is he?
Obsessed more.
Monsieur Germain, the silversmith.
Thank
thank God. They've been holding me for months. Please, get me out of here.
First, I need to know about this.
We've no time. I'll tell you all I know once we're away. But we must leave before the guards return.
Fine, let's go.
No! They'll be watching the front entrance. We'll have to go downstairs and across.
Follow me then, and stay quiet. Follow me.
As you say.
Hold on. Keep moving.
Very well.
Hold a moment. Best we move on.
As you say.
Stay there. Follow me.
Very well. Keep one eye to the roof.
Voilà un personnage suspect.
Est-ce un espion?
Just how important are you as a prisoner?
L'honnêteté incarnée.
On
laver ton honneur et celui de la famille. Why so bashful? Bashing's the only thing I got in mind! citizen! This is my patriotic duty! I see you! Heads up, Tails, you'll die! Dead! Where are you? Damn it! Who's killed you then? Ha! Help me!
Germain! Change of plans. No need to do anything foolish. Let the silversmith go.
Stay back!
Oh, be good. What have I done?
Only what you had to. Come, we must go.
Yes, of course.
Il faut l'envoyer. Bonjour, soyez le bienvenu.
Thank you, my friend. You done me a great service today.
Perhaps you can return the favor.
Yes, of course. May I? I made the first some years ago on a private contract for a man called a Frenier. That seemed an unusual commission. I confess curiosity got the better of me. Recently, I started to look into the Frenier's background, and what I discovered, you wouldn't believe it.
He's a Templar. Is that what you found?
Yes, I believe so. I didn't know how to take it. In any case, I was careless, and the Frenier found out about my schemes. Kept me under house arrest ever since. I do as he bids. Weapons, mostly.
Where can I find him?
Well, the Frenier is a very difficult man to pin down. Not long ago, I overheard him talking about protecting the shipments at La Halle au Blé. Sounded ominous, whatever he meant. May I ask, why are you so interested in him?
He killed someone very dear to me. I want to know why.
I see. You have my sympathies.
They will come looking for you again. Make yourself scarce.
Yes, I believe I might.
Je suis content de vous trouver. On m'avait dit que vous étiez absent. Qui est-il? Et la cassette?